Hello everyone, today we are learn about what am, is, are. We use am and is when we talk about one person or thing. We use am with I for one person. When we speak about more than one person or thing, we use are. Fill in the blanks with is, are, or am. I am 7 years old. A girl is dancing. The cat and the dog are in the park. Good morning. I am Sumit. Mohit is my friend. Untitled and Chapter are also my friends. We are good football players. Mohit is good at playing chess also. Untitled and Chapter are also fond of playing hockey. Thank you.